My name is Umberto, and I work as the watchmaker for Northeastern Fine Jewelry in Albany, New York. I was originally born in Italy, in the city of Naples, where as a young boy I watched my father, who was a watchmaker. It is hardly surprising that since my earliest years I've been fascinated by watchmaking. The first time I came to Northeastern Fine Jewelry, I was in awe. Everything here is at the forefront of cutting-edge technology. I can truly say I work in an amazing place. I service exceptional timepieces with strong technical added value. I have a very challenging job. I work on most high-grade luxury watches such as Breitling, Cartier, IWC, Rolex, Tag Heuer, Ebel, Movado, Omega, Tissot, Longines, Philips Steins, just to name a few. As an authorized technician, it enables me to obtain original parts directly from the factory. This allows me to properly complete the watch repairs and ensure they meet the factory specifications. My father always used to say that there are several ways to do a job wrong, but only one way to do it right. At Northeastern Fine Jewelry, we only do it the right way. There are a number of steps that must be taken to repair and refurbish a watch. We follow all the required manufacturer technical guidelines and procedures. So there is absolutely no difference in having the watch serviced by Northeastern or by the factories. We specialize in professional after-sales services such as mechanical and quartz overhauls, battery replacement service, and vintage watches restoration. All watches requiring complete service are inspected, totally disassembled, cleaned in the proper sequence of ultrasonic solutions, and dried. The movements are then inspected again, reassembled, and lubricated using the correct oils, adjusted, timed, regulated, and power reserve tested. The watch cases and bands are highly polished. If any satin finish is present, it will be reapplied. The watch cases and bands are then ultrasonically and steam cleaned and dried. Finally, the already assembled movements are put in the case, and only after replacing all the gaskets, the watches will be pressure tested. At the end of this complex procedure, the watches will meet exacting quality standards which reflect as close as possible the original workmanship. Remember how much fun it was to wear your watch when it was new? At Northeastern Fine Jewelry, we can bring back that excitement again.